Hi, this is Uncle Larry. Today we're gonna replace a water heater. It's no fun. I'd rather be outside in the yard. But you see, step one is disconnect the water heater and get it out of the way so you can put a new one in. In this case, I gotta rebuild the platform because it's all fucked up. Sometimes the bottles explode. Your house catches on fire. After you solder the little bits and pieces, you can then make a closed loop and check the pressure and see if anything leaks. Open the ball valve I've installed here. Connected this loop. I'll put this, attach it to the water heater if I can figure out how to lift it up in this place. Step 3, have your wife lift the water heater into position. Lift harder, stop sniffing her butt, dog. Secure the water tank with these brackets that attach it to the wall. I've already installed the pressure relief valve system, which takes and blows outside. Time to hook up. Step 47. Turn on the water and fill up the tank. Before you ignite the gas, the tank must be full. Maybe we have a flame.